One rotor plate is attached to each of the two sides of the wooden axle. The two recesses on the rotor plates are covered with masking tape. This secures the rotor blades and covers the sharp edges. Cut a 20 cm long piece of copper wire for later use. File down both ends of the wire properly. These will be used later to provide the contact. Wind the wire evenly onto the right rotor plate, approx 150 windings, ensuring that at least 7 cm protrudes from both outer ends. Now continue in the same winding direction on the left hand side, approx 150 windings. File down 5 cm of the ends of the wire from the unwound rotor coil. Each of the abraded ends of the wires are passed through a punched hole of a semicircular collector plate. The semicircular collector plates are now firmly attached with two cable ties. Make sure that the collector plates are facing each other and not touching. The abraded ends of the wire are firmly attached with two cable ties. Gently attach a shaft with the rotor coil to the wooden base using 2 brackets and 1 drawing pin each. Ensure that the shaft can turn easily, do not attach tightly. The 2 current collectors are screwed to the remaining 2 metal brackets. One of the current collectors is screwed to the top and the other one to the bottom. Both are then bent to a right angle. The metal brackets in their performed shape are now secured to the wooden base with a drawing pin, creating a gentle contact to the top or bottom of the collector plate. The upper edges of the arched metal are secured with masking tape and the remaining wire on the cardboard spool is wrapped around. Leave 20 cm of the wire at both ends. File down both ends of the wire thoroughly. The finished arch metal bracket is attached to the wooden base over the rotor using 2 drawing pins. Ensure that the rotor does not touch the arched metal bracket when it turns. This can also cause the bracket to bend and slip. Each of the two metal brackets can now be finally secured with a second drawing pin. The plate, which will later be used as a switch, is secured with two drawing pins in such a way that when it is pressed down, a contact is created with one of the two drawing pins from the arched metal bracket with current collectors. To do this, bend the bottom plate upwards approx 45 degrees. The two current collectors are also secured with two drawing pins. The whole unit is electrically connected in series as follows. One end of the small piece of wire from step 2 is wound beneath the bottom plate. On the opposite arched metal bracket, one end of the wire on the coil is also wound beneath the drawing pin. The two other ends of the wire are connected to the battery with the help of a paper clip. Press the button and the armature will rotate slowly and the motor will start. The propeller can be stuck onto the rotor coil.